Welcome to Holistic Health Television, your trusted guide to natural healing and wellness. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful Nigerian fruits that can help prevent one of the world's deadliest health conditions, heart disease. If you want to keep your heart strong without pills or synthetic drugs, you don't want to miss this. So, pick up your pen if need be and follow through. First thing first, understanding what heart disease is all about is a very crucial step to take before talking about how to prevent or cure it, because having an understanding of any kind of illness gives us a solid ground to knowing how to battle such illness. So listen to this. Heart disease is a condition that affects the blood vessels and heart muscle. It can lead to heart attacks, stroke, and even sudden death. High blood pressure, poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress are major contributors to heart disease. But did you know some fruits growing right here in Nigeria and at the back of your compound can protect your heart naturally? Please follow me carefully, because I will be showing you some fruits sometimes overlooked by so many people without them having the knowledge of the healing efficacy of such fruits. Immediately after now, please start putting this fruit into at least your weekly list. Number 1, UBE, known as African pear. UBE, also known as African pear, is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients reduce bad cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and protect the heart. UBE is also anti-inflammatory, helping to keep your blood vessels clear and your heart strong. How to use? It's important to know how to use it. So eat it boiled or roasted. Combined with corn for a healthy combo. You need to try this. 2. Pawpaw, known as papaya. Pawpaw is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and beta-carotene. These nutrients help to reduce blood pressure and prevent arterial plaque buildup. The goodness of all is that pawpaw is not expensive. How to use? Eat fresh in the morning or blend into a smoothie with lime and ginger. 3. Watermelon. Yes, watermelon. Watermelon contains lycopene and citrulline, which help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. It's also 92% water, perfect for hydration and cleansing. How to use? Consume fresh or juice it with cucumber and mint for heart health. 4. Banana. Bananas are loaded with potassium mineral that regulates blood pressure and keeps your heart beating steadily. How to use? Eat 1 or 2 daily, add to oats or blend into smoothies. 5. Avocado, pear. Avocados are full of healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. These help reduce bad cholesterol and inflammation, which is a key causes of heart disease. How to use? Add to salads, spread on bread, or eat plain with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. These fruits are affordable and available in any local market or large market. And the best part is they are not expensive lifestyle tips. Alongside these fruits, stay active, drink enough water, manage stress, and avoid excessive salt or fried foods. I will be expecting to hear from your recovery news. Now, before I end this video, I would like to share 2 or 3 out of the numerous feedbacks from people I recommend these fruits to. Mrs. Deborah from Lagos said, after including pawpaw and avocado in my weekly diet, my blood pressure dropped significantly without any drugs. I feel healthier and lighter. Mrs. Karim from Kaduna said she was perplexed when her doctor handed over a test result that indicates that she had heart-related disease. But after giving these fruits a trial, significant changes began to occur, and she said she is free. 72 years old, Mr. Kolade from Lagos said, after including bananas, watermelon, and avocado to my diet, my heart aches and burning sensation vanished. And now I don't joke with these fruits because they are keeping me healthy even at my old age. My advice: to prevent heart disease naturally, start with your diet. Nigerian fruits are a treasure. Use them daily and stay consistent. Thank you for watching Holistic Health Television. Like this video, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Your heart will thank you.